What if I told you that while many people still believe Nigeria's Southeast is being left behind, two world-class facilities have quietly emerged, projects capable of transforming healthcare, education, innovation, and economic growth across the entire region. These are not ordinary buildings. They represent billions of naira in investment, years of planning, and a vision that could redefine the future of the Southeast. But what exactly are these facilities? Who built them? Why were they located in the Southeast? And what impact will they have on millions of Nigerians? Stay with us, because what you're about to see may completely change the way you view development in the Southeast Nigeria. For decades, conversations about development in Nigeria have often overlooked the remarkable project gradually taking shape in the Southeast. Yet, beneath the headlines, a quiet transformation is unfolding. Across the region, government, private investors, and institutions are investing in infrastructure that meets international standards, not just to serve the Southeast, but Nigeria and even West Africa. Among these developments are two newly established world-class facilities that stand out for their scale, ambition, and potential impact. They symbolize more than fiscal infrastructure. They represent investment in people, innovation, healthcare, research, education, and economic opportunity. In this documentary, we will take you inside these remarkable facilities. We will explore what makes them world-class, examine the technology and services they offer, uncover the stories behind their development, and investigate how they could reshape the future of Southeast and Nigeria as a whole. Whether you are from the Southeast, another part of Nigeria, or anywhere in the world, this journey offers an opportunity to discover how strategic investment can influence an entire region's future. Let's begin.
Let me warmly welcome everyone gathered here today for this historic moment. You are welcome to the Optimum Limited plant. Optimum Limited started as a bold idea, a belief that Africa deserves world-class products made right here at home. We saw a gap and we made a decision to build a company that can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world.
The Kaji Group is not new to African industry. For over 5 decades and 3 generations, we've built successful businesses in Cameroon, in particular in the beverage industry. Your Excellency, Dr. Alex Choma Oti, OFR, since you took office, we have watched you attract new investments and breathe the life into various industrial projects. We came because we were drawn by the energy of our battle.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, join me in celebrating the leaders and pathfinders of Kaji Group for their confidence in the Aba business ecosystem. Today's event offers the ultimate validation to our position that indeed the phoenix has risen from the ashes of its ruins. The decision of Kaji Group to invest in Aba quietly and without seeking attention over a 2-year period points to the validity of our orientation to attracting investments.
Today we have a full functional factory where we no longer have to go to China to buy electronics. We can actually become major exporters of this technology
tools and devices. You know, we're quite aggressive in our education sector. We're building over 260 smart schools. If you put that in context, over 7,000 classrooms. We're going to be accommodating over 300,000 students. What that means, because we are going to be teaching these children on an e-learning platform, that's why I like the question about sustainability. And this is what sustainability means, because we no longer have to think about how do we replace those devices, how do we buy those tablets. We're building them here, we're producing them here. So, and in terms of after-sales service or management, you don't need to invite somebody from China to come and fix it. Our children will be experts in fixing those devices. So all the schools, as you already know, have ICT hub and e-library. And for each smart school, we have at 86 desktop computers. So we've already procured over 26,000 desktop computers that will be across all the smart schools. If anything goes wrong with those systems, I can tell you the next minute they are fixed. If we have to replace them, we know what to do. We come here and get them. And so this is a fantastic partnership. What is more, it is bringing in foreign direct investment. And what you're going to now witness is that we're going to have influx of foreign direct investment. So we're not just going to be dealing with the foreign portfolio investors. We're not dealing with people who are coming to put their money where their mouth is. That's what IA is doing. They've also told us that this is just a tip of the iceberg, because they are going to expand their production capacity. And what is interesting is that they are actually going to be doing their research and development. And our boys will be part of that team. So you can't ask for anything better. This is not exploitation. This is building together, achieving together, growing a future together. And that's why this model is so fantastic to us.
If you found this documentary informative, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so you never miss our in-depth documentaries on the Southeast, Nigeria and Africa's most important development stories. We'd also love to hear from you. Which of these two world-class facilities impressed you the most, and what other major projects do you think deserve more attention? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next documentary. As we have seen, these two world-class facilities are more than impressive structures. They are symbols of ambition, resilience, and long-term investment in the future of the Southeast. Their true success, however, will not be measured by architecture alone, but by the lives they improve, the jobs they create, the innovation they inspire, and the opportunities they unlock for future generations to come. Development is a continuous process, and the projects remind us that transformative change often begins with bold ideas backed by sustained commitment. As these facilities evolve, it will be fascinating to follow their impact on healthcare, education, technology, business, and regional growth in the years ahead.